Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pushpavalika and today I'm going to walk you through 8 important Node.js interview questions. If you are preparing for your first tech interview or just want to brush your backend knowledge, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. It's built on Chrome's V8 engine, making it super fast and efficient. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache or PHP, Node.js uses a non-blocking, event-driven architecture. That means it can handle thousands of requests simultaneously without waiting for one to finish before starting another. This makes Node.js perfect for real-time applications like chat apps and online games, etc. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, which is then executed after the parent function completes. In Node.js, callbacks are often used in asynchronous operations like reading files, database queries, or API calls. Since Node doesn't block code execution, it uses callbacks to continue with the next task and come back to the result once it's ready. What is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json is the heart of the Node.js project. It contains metadata about your project like its name, version, and author. More importantly, it lists all the dependencies your project needs. Some key properties include name, that's the project name, version, the current version of the project, dependencies, the packages your project depends on, scripts, custom scripts like start, test, etc. It helps others understand your project, install all your requirement packages easily with just one command. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. Then, and why would you use one over the other? Require is the command JS way of including modules, while import is the ES6 ECMAScript 2015 syntax. Node.js originally supported only require, by now it supports import too. If you are using ES modules, use require in older code, or if you are not using Babel or TypeScript, use import if you are working with modern JavaScript syntax and want cleaner, more standard module handling. And the fifth question is, what is the middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give me an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? In express.js, middleware functions are like layers that process requests before they reach the final root handler. Middleware can log data, authenticate users, parse request bodies, and more. For example, this is the example of that. This middleware logs easily incoming request. Sixth question, what is a RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP method used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API follows REST principle and allows clients to interact with your server using standard HTTP methods. In Node.js, you can use Express to create endpoints. The main HTTP methods are get to fetch the data, post to create a new data, put to update the data, delete to remove the data. This is the example. Next, seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? NPM is the default package manager for Node.js. It helps you to install and manage libraries and tools. For example, to install Express, you use npm install Express. This adds Express to your Node modules folder and updates your package.json file. You can also run scripts with it and even publish your own packages. Why it is important to hash password in a web application. This is the last eighth question. Hashing password is crucial for user security. If your data gets hacked, raw passwords can be exposed. Hashing converts the password into an unreadable string. Even it attacks Even if attackers get the hash, they cannot easily reverse it. Libraries like bcrypt are commonly used in Node.js to safely hash and compare passwords. And that's wrap up our 8 Node.js interview questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, subscribe for this tech content. Thank you.